2020 was one of those once-in-a-century years when the economy of almost every developed nation was switched off by lockdowns and social distancing. The UK took the biggest hit to its GDP for 300 years. So what was the impact on the Monaco real estate market? A price correction of just 1.1%. Its nearest historic rival, Hong Kong, suffered a fall of just under 4%, though that was from a combination of the pandemic and the strict new security laws being imposed by Beijing. 2020 also saw a shift in the type of transactions taking place, as global travel restrictions kept foreign buyers away for much of the year. The hottest properties were the smaller ones below 5 million euros, which made up over 70% of the sales across the principality. Larvotto held onto its crown as the most exclusive district, with just 9% of all transactions and an average price per square metre of 65,500 euros. New build property continues to be in short supply. Just 4% of 2020 transactions, and even that is better than a long-term average which stands at 2.5% over the last decade. That said, there are a handful of new build projects in the pipeline. The biggest and best known is Portier Cove, now called Maritera on account of being land reclaimed from the sea. This will provide 110 apartments and 10 villas to those lucky enough to buy off plan, and will undoubtedly set a new price level for Monaco. Other projects coming along are L'Exotique, Bay House Monaco, a second phase at Villa Portofino, and the development at Villa Palazzino. Things are really moving again in 2021, with properties now selling at every price level. So if you see something that you like on the Monaco Estate site, please get in touch with us and we can arrange a viewing for you either virtually or in person.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see some previous episodes, click here. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future episodes.